Today I will talk about why I don't go to study abroad. I don't go to abroad, overseas universities, Harvard. I don't want to go there. Not because I really don't want to go there, because I feel sad about some behaviors occurred in the campus. You know, when I entered into this campus, ECNU, East China Normal University, I find there is something surprised me. Students here can do some tutoring if he or she like, anytime, anywhere. Because the school designed an app, native speaker call it app, because they design an app for tutor. Student tutoring outside, tutoring high school student, primary student and student can earn money. It's a very important way for the financial support for student, bachelor degree, master degree, doctor student, master student. For both these two kind of students, it's very important. But there is a side effect. A bad influence. Students, when they enter into school, when they are trained by the university that we have an app, we can earn money by that app, most students are absorbed by this tool. When the teacher asks them to study very hard, they just take his own time to do tutoring outside to earn money. Every day when I get up in the morning, when I go to the canteen, the cafeteria, you will find many students get on the school bus to the city center. They will do their own private business, tutoring. 1 hour, they can earn 100, 200, at least 70, 80 yuan. So who willing to study? Who willing to do it? Plus, they will find his teacher. Don't depress them to do it. Don't depress. Teacher should put some pressure to the student, but teacher don't do it. Teacher in the university think that, my student lives very poor before and from a poor village, and it is Shanghai. Since I am a professor, I should take care about her, about he or she. That's very disgusting. Teacher should restrict students to do something. Should be strict. Be strict and restrict. But they did nothing. The consequence is student go out every day for his own business, for the money. But students like me stay in my dormitory, in the library, to study all day long. It's unfair. It's not fair. What's to my biggest surprise is that student, when they earn money, after they finish that, they get back to the school, get back to school and ask the teacher for a chance for overseas studies. They earn money, they do more social conversation with the teacher, and they get the overseas study chance. It's very disgusting. I feel that it's very disgusting, so I decided to draw a line from I and them. But the teacher supports them very much, so finally I needed to draw a line to separate me and the teacher. So finally I am isolated. Do you know isolation? Isolation means alone, very alone. That's why I developed a space online. Bilibili, I choose to do some speech. But I cannot complain because it is my choice. It is me who decided not to go study abroad, not to go overseas. Doctoral student, they will have 1 year. 1 year. Such a period for you, you can study overseas. If you can contact some teachers, some overseas teachers, they admit your application. If some professor outside can admit you, he accepts you, and you, the school and your advisor will support you to go overseas for 1 year or 2 years. But I feel not discouraged. I feel not encouraged. I am discouraged because the behavior many students behaved disappoint, depress me. It's my issue, not their issue. It is my fault, not their fault. But since I decided to be a different man from them, so let me stay in China and insist on my opinion. Not depend on outside, on overseas schools, not depend on any chance from the school or from the advisor. What will happen finally? Is there a good consequence left for me? Who knows? But I will make a way. We need to make a way. What we choose is what. Who are you? I think you are what you choose. You choose to be independent, then you take the independent consequence. I will take it. So I do this speech to cast my idea out.